Today, we're going to talk about two money mindsets that will absolutely supercharge your finances. Are you ready to talk about it? I know I surely am. Well, if you are, go ahead, tap in. Let's get into it. Most people think that they have a money problem. And in all actuality, you might just have a mindset problem. I can tell you from personal experience that when I changed my mindset and my perspective about money, that is when my finances actually started to change. So, this is why I want to share these mindsets with you today so that your finances can actually start to change. All right. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the first money mindset. The first money mindset that I want to talk to you about today is I want you to check your environment. What does that mean? I want you to start hanging around people who have a better financial picture than you currently have. I want you to hang around people who know more about finances than you currently do. Why is that important? Because the more you hang around it, the better your financial knowledge will be. I want you to hang around people who are going to push you to a better place financially than keeping you the same. Let me give you a quick example. If you hang around people who actually work out, it's a higher probability that you yourself will begin to work out or do things that will better help your physical health. So the same as it goes with finances. The more you hang around people who have a better financial outlook and have a better knowledge of finances, the higher probability it is that your finances will get a whole lot better. And I can tell you this from personal experience, the more people that you hang around that have an understanding of finances better than you do, the more your knowledge base increases, the more your perspective changes, the more things change about your finances, the more you hang around those kind of people. You need to hang around people who understand the cycle of money. You need to hang around people who understands how to make more money with their money. You need to be around those kinds of people so that you can begin to do the exact same thing. It's a higher probability that you will begin to do that once you expose yourself to those kinds of people. And what better way for you to learn it than people who are already actually doing it themselves? That's how you increase. That's how you get better. You hang around people who are already better than you. And that's not to say that you're subservient to them, but they have something that you're trying to obtain. So you need to be seeking out that knowledge. You need to be hanging around, seeing what they're doing because success leaves blueprints. And so if you follow behind people who have success, you can peel from them things that will actually be applicable to your life so that your life can then become a whole lot better. Does that make sense? So I want you to start hanging around people who have a better financial knowledge than you and who actually have better finances than you so that you can have a better financial outlook. Wow. That first one blew my mind away so many years ago when I began to understand the importance of that, changing my environment. What do you think about what we just shared? I like to know your thoughts down in the comment section. And while you're doing that, why don't you go ahead and hit that like button? Why don't you go ahead and start sharing? Why don't you subscribe or follow? And if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted every single time we drop a new video. We appreciate your engagement and your comments in advance. Now, let me give you another money mindset that will absolutely supercharge your finances. The second money mindset that I want to talk to you about today is learn how money works or learn the purpose of money. Now I'm going to say something to you that's going to actually may actually shock a few of you, and here it is. The difference between the poor, the middle class, and the wealthy is not actually the amount of money they have, but it's the mindset and understanding of the purpose of money. I began to learn this a little while ago from a guy named Myron Gordon, and I think he said it best. When you understand the purpose of money, that begins to change the class in which you live. Let me explain. He said the poor mindset, the purpose people think of money in a poor mindset is just used to pay your bills. Money is just used to buy the things that you need. And then he went on to say that the middle class mindset, the purpose of money for the middle class mindset is for people to establish good credit and then turn around and use that money to pay down on that debt. And then he went on to say the wealthy mindset or the wealthy understand this purpose of money is to use money to make more money. And that absolutely blew my mind when I looked at those three different mindsets because I can see my progression through every single one of those. Money should be used to double, triple, quadruple, and multiply itself, and not just for spending. And when you begin to change your thinking to that, then you will elevate your mindset to the wealthy, and then you can start producing the way you need to produce. So, again, I'm going to repeat the difference between the poor, middle class, and the wealthy is not the amount of money that you have, but it's the mindset that you carry and your understanding of the purpose of money. When you change the purpose for your money, then your finances can actually change. But as long as you keep a poor mindset or the poor thought process concerning money, then that's where you're going to stay. So understand this: in order for us to make our money situation better, you have to find out ways to have your money make you more money. That's how my mind felt when I learned the things that I share with you today. How do you feel hearing the stuff that we talked about today? I like to know your thoughts down in the comment section. Did you already know this stuff? Or is this your first time hearing it? And if it's your first time hearing it, did it blow your mind like it blew mine when I first heard it? All right, let's talk about it down in the comment section. And if you would like to learn a lot more about your finances and how you can make them better, I'm going to encourage you to hop on a coaching call with me so that I can help you get you on a path that will help you out financially and put you at a better financial security going into the future. All right. And how you do that is by checking the comments down below and checking the links in the description for the coaching call, how to make $10,000 a month minimum, so that I can begin to help you walk through and help you set up a foundation to help create a better financial life for you. And let me just quickly say $10,000 is the minimum. All right. We want to get you to the 20, to the 30, to the 40 through these coaching calls. All right. So I'm just using that as a minimum. But man, I'm telling you, these coaching calls will absolutely help you if you sign up for them and get involved and start doing the work. All right. I appreciate you guys so much for checking out this video today. I appreciate you guys for engaging with this video like y'all always do. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Peace.